up, guys? And we back. Ooh, that's a nice Ferrari. Oh, I hate going back there. I mean, that way, it'd be too many people. I like going back here. Nobody be back here. Well, some people do be back here sometimes. Like him, see? I already know who's gonna be back here. Pads in the front. But y'all, different shortcut. There's nothing but apartments back here. Apartments right here. Bro, I swear, Florida be building apartments everywhere, bro. It's like they don't even care. Just want to talk to y'all. So like, I want to like do different type of I want to go to different places. I want to see. I do want to go to Miami and record while I'm riding out there. I am gonna explore whole Parkland and also on Deerfield and on Pocono like that. some different routes and stuff. The sand. Bro, I almost fell. Here, cut. Well, I could have went through there, but it's all good. Gonna come through here. Little ostriches. Way up. There we go. I like it when it's less traffic. Abandoned hotel. I feel like next 2 years, this property probably gonna be bought up. Wow. Cameras. Oh, there's nothing in the pool. Oh, it actually is something in the pool. I'm gonna say it should be because supposed to be raining a lot. Yeah, bro. I thought that was a toolbox. It was a toolbox. No more. Maybe make you say my name, say my name. Say baby, I love you, you ain't gotta change. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Baby, why you said it's changed? Say my name. Say my name, you acting things around you. Bro, I don't know what's wrong with people. Why they act like they can't wait for just a little few seconds before you go in. Like, you just made me turn the same way you going out. Like, come on, bro. Like, you see me going across first. It's a bite. I would get across so you could turn, bro. Dang, Florida is so impatient. Let me know if you guys want more content. Thank you for watching.